western Chippewa County until 4:30 p.m. At 3:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bloomer, or 15 miles north of Eau Claire, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Chippewa Falls around 4 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Lake Wissota. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.